How to remove HeartTrack Launcher in Android. So to remove HeartTrack Launcher from your Android device, you'll first need to ensure it's not set as a default launcher, then uninstall it like any other app. So first, go change the default launcher. Go to your phone settings, navigate to the apps or applications, find and tap on Defaults app, and then select Home app or launcher. Then choose a different launcher than Heart Attack Launcher. This will remove HeartTrack Launcher as the default. The next thing you want to do is uninstall the HeartTrack Launcher. So go back to your settings, apps or applications, then locate and tap on Hard Track Launcher. Then if the uninstall option is available, tap uninstall and confirm. And then if uninstall is grayed out, you can also do this. You can force stop the app info page, tap force stop, and then it will temporarily disable the launcher. You can also clear the cache and data. If force stopping doesn't work, you can tap the storage, then clear cache and clear data. Then you want to reboot or restart your phone. And then try uninstalling again. Then after rebooting, try uninstalling from settings or the Play Store again. And then lastly, you can uninstall via the Play Store. So open the Google Play Store, search for Hard Drive Launcher, and tap on the app and select uninstall. And that's how you can basically remove the hard track launcher in Android.